Hi guys, welcome to Prime Review. Today I am going to show you the look of the PIZEN BT66 and KZ-ZS10. It is the KZ-ZS10. You wear it across your ear loop here. And it is the PIZEN BT66. It will go around your neck. At this side, you can see that it is the clear version of KZ-ZS10. So you should see in the circuit inside, and it is the neck of the BT66. When it's come together, it will look like this. You can have the control here. The sound is very good. There are good high, good middle, good bass. But you must know that there are the limitation of the diaphragm here. It's about 1 centimeter of the diaphragm, so it will not much higher bass compared to the big headphone like the Bluetooth here. Bluetooth T6, it is the more bass than the KZ-ZS10, but you can see the size is very big. It's not portable. Okay guys, thanks for watching, and it is the look of KZ-ZS10 with the Bluetooth AptX update PIZEN BT66. See you later.